Looking for tips on how to sneeze properly? Here are some simple suggestions to help you sneeze effectively and prevent the spread of germs. 1. Allow the sneeze to come naturally instead of suppressing it, as it is a reflex that helps clear irritants from the nose. 2. Cover your nose and mouth with a tissue or your elbow to prevent the spread of germs. 3. Practice good hygiene by washing your hands often and avoiding touching your face to reduce the risk of spreading or catching illnesses.